From entry-level A1s all the way to the insanely overpowered R8. These are the real 7 levels of Audi. Level 1, the A1 and A3, 25 to 35k, front wheel drive, clean overall design. Audi interiors at this level, ahead of most. Digi-dash, premium feel straight away. But let's be honest, this is still entry level. No one sees an A3 and thinks performance.
Nope.
They think sensible upgrade. And that's exactly what it is. Level 2. This is where Audi starts playing dress up. S-line trims, bigger alloys, sharper bumpers, more aggressive styling. It looks fast, but most of the time, it's just visual confidence. You're still looking at 150 to 200 horsepower, and still front wheel drive in most cases. The A4 steps things up in size and presence, longer body, cleaner lines, more of an executive feel. But performance wise, you're not there yet. This is I look like I've upgraded level. Level 3. This is where it starts to change. S3, S4, S5. Now Audi starts to back it up. Quattro all-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in the mid 4-second range. Proper grip, proper launch. The S3 pushes around 310 horsepower. Small car, big performance. Then S4 and S5. 3-litre turbo V6. Around 347 horsepower. Smooth, fast, planted. Here is where Audi stops to pretend and actually starts to perform. You pull up in one of these, people know you're on it. Level 4. Now we step into real presence. A6, A7, Q5 and of course the Q7. This is executive level. The A6 is clean, long, properly refined. The A7, low, wide, fastback shaped. One of the best looking Audis ever made.
Wow!
Then we have the SUVs. The Q5 and Q7 bring size, comfort and road presence, especially the Q7. Big, heavy, commanding. This is a life is sorted level. No rushing, no proving. Just comfort, space and quiet confidence. Level 5. This is where Audi starts to get clever. Because now they take all that comfort and make it fast. The S6 and S7, twin turbo V6, around 440 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. From the outside, still looks calm, but that's the whole point. Then you have the SQ5 and SQ7, full-size SUVs moving like performance cars. The SQ7, twin turbo V8, around 500 horsepower, a 7-seater moving like that. This is a level where people underestimate you, and that's exactly why it works. Level 6. This is where everything changes. RS models. This is Audi with no limits. RS3, 400 horsepower from a 5-cylinder. One of the best sounding engines on the road. 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds in a hatchback. That alone is madness. Then you have the RS4 and RS5. 450 horsepower, wide body, aggressive stance. These cars look like they've been built for war. The RS6. And this is where Audi completely loses their minds. A family estate car with over 600 horsepower, twin turbo V8, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. This thing can actually embarrass supercars. The RS7, same energy but in a 4-door coupe, low, wide, super aggressive. This is one of the hardest looking cars on the road. People see RS cars and they know instantly, yeah, that's not normal. Level 7, the R8, Audi's ultimate statement. Mid-engine supercar, low, wide, built properly. 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10, same engine family as a Lamborghini Huracan. No turbos, no shortcuts, just raw power. Up to 630 horsepower, 0 to 60, 2.8 seconds. But it's not even about the numbers.
Nope.
It's all about the sound. At full throttle, it screams. This isn't just an Audi anymore. This is a full-blown supercar. And when people see an R8, they don't think, they just stare.
Wow.
So yeah, Audi isn't just one level, it's a full ladder. Some people are just getting into the badge and some are driving full RS monsters.